So cute. Cute little cow. No fluff fluff. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you something TikTok made me buy because I'm obsessed with TikTok. It is the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer Volumizer Pro Collection Oval Design brush. I've been wanting this for such a long time and I finally got my hands on it, and we're gonna try it to see if it matches up with all the hype. I'm honestly very excited. I've seen very good videos about it, but I want to try it out for myself and show you guys if this is the real deal. I mean, let's transform this into something beautiful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let's get to it. I'm gonna start off by combing out my hair, obviously. And then I'm gonna section it out. Right, nice and combed. I usually just do one side of my hair first and then the other side. So I'm gonna tie this up. Where's my tie? Where's my tie? My tie, my tie. Then I'm gonna part this into sections like this, and we'll go from there. Do you have to itch my nose? Okay. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. It's so much bigger than I expected. It's a little heavy, but it's not something super drastic. Let's turn it on. It has an off, cool, low, and high setting. Wow, look at how this came out though. Look at this. Look at this. This is actually pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do this whole side and wanted to show you guys a side-by-side comparison of my hair with the Revlon and my natural hair. But look guys, look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. I don't think I'm ever gonna pick up a hairdryer in my life because this thing did it all. I mean, oh my gosh. And then this, compared to this, bling, 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 bling. And this one's just like, bling, bling, bling. This is beautiful. I'm in love. I'm in love. And you definitely don't have to be a professional to use this. Like, this is so easy to use. Oh my gosh. And literally, you don't even have to section the hair if you don't want to. But it just grabs on when you like twist it like this. This is crazy. This is definitely worth the buy. Definitely. I'm going to do the other side. And then I'm going to show you what the finished look looks like. Alright? I'll be back. Alright guys, I finished both sides and will you look at this. This is like salon quality hair. And it only took me like maybe 20 minutes to do or 15 minutes to do. I don't have that much hair. And my hair was also dry as well. But this is really good. This is really, really good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Hands down. This is my new favorite thing. This thing is amazing. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe. If you want me to do any more TikTok hacks or anything that people are trying on TikTok, definitely let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.